Hi guys, we received this amazing wall lamp plug with a hardwire, which is really nice. It comes with the instructions manual on how to install it. You can either cut the cable to install it directly into your energy or connect it to an outlet, which is really nice. And here it is. It comes with anything you need to install it in here, and this is the alimentation kit. It has one Type-C outlet and one USB outlet, which is really nice. And here it is for the installation. So let's go and install it. Okay, so now it's all installed. I'm gonna take this piece off. Like that. And connect it. Now I get the light. And now we got the backlight, okay, which is really nice. I'm gonna turn off the lights to see how it looks. This is the backlight, and this is the front light. See, you can set it to look one way or the other. And what it's nice is that you can connect, like I said, a regular USB or a Type-C charger at the same time. And for example, you can charge at the same time your AirPods, that, and my Apple Watch. That. So it's a really nice LED light for your wall, have it in your room, or whenever you need it. I will really recommend it. It's nice that it has the two different ports in case you need them. As I said, I can use them to charge my Apple Watch and my AirPods at the same time. And it's really nice to have a device like this. So I will recommend it. See ya!